Hello friends, I am Praphull Dravid from Empower Education. In our last video lecture, we have seen some techniques of Vedic mathematics to square a number. In last lecture, we have discussed how to square a number ending with 5, how to square a number ending with 1, and squaring a number close to 50 and less than 50. We have discussed some formulas also in those lectures. So today, we are also going to learn some interesting techniques of squaring some specific numbers. So let me start with the first technique, squaring a number close to 50 and more than 50. In last time we have seen squaring a number close to 50 and less than 50. So let us start with the formula. Like example, for this number we can square 51 and above. Anything 51, 50 and above. So the formula for this particular technique is given by, so first I am writing the formula. So let me explain the formula to you. Here we use the formula. We write the answer in two parts, one on the left hand side of the slash and one on the right hand side of the slash. On the left hand side we write 25 plus excess of the number. What is excess? How much a number is greater than 50, that is called excess. Like 51, excess is 1. For 54, excess is 4. So left hand side answer is always 25 plus excess. Right hand side answer is always excess square. Excess square. Important condition here to take care that right hand side must have 2 digits only. Right hand side must have 2 digits. If we have only 1 digit, we put a 0 before the single digit. If we have 3 digits, we can take 1 digit carryover. Clear? The formula, I'll just reread the formula. On the left hand side of the slash, we'll write 25 plus excess square, excess. And the right hand side, we write excess square. Excess means how much a number is greater than the 50. So let me give the example. We start with first example. Write a square of 52. Writing a square of 52. So here 52 is how much more than 50. So we'll write the excess here. It is 2 more than 50. 52 is 2 more than the 50. So we apply the formula here. On the left hand side we write 25 plus excess. On the right hand side we write excess square. So this is the general formula. Okay, so we have the final answer of this is 25 plus 2 is 27 on the left hand side. 25 plus 2 is 27. On the right side we have 02 square, we have 04 because we know that right hand side must have 2 digits. So we cannot write only 4, we should have 04. Therefore square of 52, which is a number close to 50 and more than 50, is 2704. Clear? Now let us take one more example, like 57. If you take a number 57, 57 is 7 more than 50. So here your excess is 7. It is 7 more than 50. So excess than 50 is 7. So left hand part of the answer we write 25 plus 7. 25 plus 7 on the left. On the right side we write 7 square. On the right side we write 7 square. So we know that 25 plus 7 is 32. So left hand side answer is 32. And on the right side we have 7 square. 7 square is 49. We already have 2 digits. So no need to put a 0 before this because we already getting 2 digit number. So square of 57 is 3249. Square of 57 is 3249. We are using a simple formula. On the left side we have 25 plus excess. On the right side we have excess square. Let me give you one more example. Say 59 square, which is 9 more than your 50. 9 more than 50. So on left side we have 25 plus 09. On the right side we have 09 square. So 25 plus 9 gives you 34. So left hand part of the answer is 34. On the right side we have 9 square. On the right side we have 9 square, which is 81. So your answer is 3481. So let's see, friends, what happens when the number goes away from, it's more than 60. What happens when the number is more than 60? Suppose we take a number 62. Suppose we take a number 62. So it is 12 more than 50. So here excess is 12. Here excess is 12. So using the formula, what we'll write on the left side, we have 25 plus excess, which is 12. So left hand side is 25 plus 12. On the right side we have 12 square. On the right side we have 12 square. Now in this particular case, I just explain one example of this particular case. We have 25 plus 12 is 37, but right side we have 144, which is square of 12. On the right side we have 144, but we'll write only 44 on the right and take 1 as a carryover. We don't write 144 on the right side. We take 1 carryover and add it to the left hand side, which is 37. So our final answer would be 3844. So friends, you have to take care when the right hand side have 3 digits. You have to take hundreds place, carryover and add it to the left side. We take one more example of a number which involves a carryover. We take one last example of this, that if we take a number like 67, if you want to square a 67, it is 17 excess. It is 17 more than 50. Okay, it is 17 more than 50. So on the left hand side we have 25 plus 17. On the right side we have 17 square. So we'll have 25 plus 17 is 7 plus 5 2. It is 42. Clear? And on the right hand side we have 17 square, which is nothing but 289. So we write 89 and take 2 carryover and add it to the left. So we have final square 67. We add these 2 to the left side of the number. That gives you 4489. So this way we can use this technique to find out a square of any number which are close to 50 and greater than 50. So now we'll do another technique of squaring some specific number. Now let's have a number close to 100. So let's have a number close to 100 and less than 100. Let me explain another technique. Squaring a number close to 100 and less than 100, like 99, 98, 91, like that. Now here we'll use a formula which is different than the formula used for close to 50. Now here we use a technique, we have formula which is different than formula for close to 50. Now for this we use a formula. Again we write the answer in 2 parts. On the left hand side we write a number, the number minus deficiency, number minus d for deficiency, and right hand side we have d square. On the left hand side we write number minus deficiency, and on the left hand side we write deficiency square. Okay, deficiency means how much number is less than the 100. Deficiency means how much number less than the 100. Here we do not subtract it from 50 or 25. Here we subtract on the left hand side from number itself. Let me explain with an example. Like we want to square a number like 99. If you want to square 99, now here the deficiency from 100 is 1. Here the deficiency from 100 is 1. Therefore by using the formula we subtract this deficiency from number itself. we subtract the deficiency from number itself, which is 99. So left hand side answer is 99 minus 01, and right hand side is again deficiency square, which is 01 square. Again the rule is same, right hand side must have 2 digits. Right hand side must have 2 digits. So if you have only single digit, we add 0 before that. If you have 3 digits, we have to take 1 carry over to the left. So answer for 99 square is 99 minus 1. 99 minus 1 is 98. And 01 square we write 01. Don't put only 1. Don't, otherwise it will be 981. You have to write 01 because we have 2 digits on the right side. So we take one more example like 96 square. Suppose you want to square 96. Here deficiency from 100 is 4. Deficiency from 100 is 4. So the left hand part of the answer will be 96 number minus 4, number minus deficiency. On the right side we have deficiency square. So answer will be 96 minus 4 is 92. And right side will be square of 4, which is 16. Square of 4, which is 16. We have already 2 digits on the right, so no need to put a 0. Clear, friends? So as we go further below 90, what happens? If we take an example of 89, which is 11 less than 100, so deficiency is 11 here. Clear? Deficiency is 11 here. So left hand side answer will be, your number is 89 minus deficiency. On the right side we have deficiency square. So see what happens here. Now if we solve this, we'll get 89 minus 11. 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. So left hand side is 78. And we know that square of 11 is 121. But we write only 21 on the right and take 1 carry over to the left. This carry over added to the left hand part answer, which is 78. So we get 78 plus 1, which is 79. So we get final answer is 7921, which is square of 89. Understood? So take care whenever you have 3 digits on the right side. So we can square one more example by using this. If we square like 87, the deficiency is 13 from 100. So on the left side we write 87 minus 13, and on the right side we have 13 square. So 87 minus 13, 7 minus 3 is 4, 8 minus 1 is 7, we get 74 on the left side answer, and 13 square we know 169, so we write 69 and 1 carry over. That carry over added to the left, that gives you 74 plus 1, 75. So answer is 7569. This is the square of 87. So this way we can square any number using this formula, number minus deficiency and deficiency square. Number minus deficiency and deficiency square. Only care should be taken that right hand side should have 2 digits. Okay. So let me explain the next technique for squaring a specific number. Now I told you last time that we have 2 kinds of methods or tricks in Vedic mathematics. One is applicable for specific number, one is general technique. So initially we are starting with some specific techniques, and later on we'll find out how to square a number or how to do calculation for a general methods. Okay, so let me start with another technique, square a number close to 100 and more than 100. Square a number close to 100 and more than 100 as 101 and above. 101 and above. The formula which we are using here, is simple, as here only excess should be added. So we write the formula as number plus excess on the left, and the right hand side we write excess square. On the right hand side we write excess square. The condition is same. The right hand side should have 2 digits If we have single digit, we put 1 0 before that. If we have 3 digit, we have to take 1 digit carry over to the left. So excess means again the same, how much number is more than the 100. So let me start with an example. The example will take like 101 square. We start with 102 square. 102 square is 2 more than 100. So it is excess here. Excess is 02 here. So by using the formula, it will give you 102 plus 2 on the left, and on the right side we have 02 square. So final answer is 102 plus 2 is 104, and right side 02 square is 04. So that gives you 10404. Clear? So second example, if we want to square 106, so here excess is 6. So left hand side answer is 106 plus 6, and on the right side we have 06 square. So 106 plus 6 is 112, and 6 square is 36. So we get 2 digits on the right, 112 and 36. Clear, friends? We'll take one example of carryover now. If we have a number like 112, so here excess is 12. It is 12 more than 100. So on the left side we have 112 plus 12. On the right side we have 12 square. Okay, so 112 plus 12 is 124, and on the right side is square of 12 is 144. So we write 44 and take 1 carryover. This 1 carryover is added to the left. That gives you 125 14. Okay, 125 44. So this way we can square a number which is close to 100 and more than 100. So one last example for this is 116 square, where excess is 16. So we'll add 116 plus 16 on the left, and right side we have 16 square. So 116 plus 16 is 132. 16 plus 16 is 132, and right side we have 16 square is 256. If we write 56 and take 2 carry over to the left, the final answer is 13456. Okay, thank you, friends. So this was 3 more techniques we have learned today in Vedic maths class. So I hope that in our previous lecture also we have done very interesting techniques, and today also we have learned some very fast and interesting methods. So I hope that you like this lecture, and you can share these lectures, you can subscribe our channels, and please share with your friends so that they can also learn this very interesting technique of Vedic maths. And next lectures also will coming up with some more faster methods of calculation. Thank you very much.